Do you know that a small, inexpensive fruit easily found at your local American market can boost your immune system, protect your heart, give you beautiful skin, and even reduce the risk of cancer? But wait! If used incorrectly, this fruit might cause unexpected health problems. What kind of fruit is it? How can you get the most out of it without taking risks? Today, we're going to uncover the health secrets of passion fruit, a popular tropical fruit known all over the world. Watch this entire video to learn how to use passion fruit effectively and safely in your daily life. And now, answer this question in the comments. Have you ever tried passion fruit, and how do you like to eat it? Let's get started. Passion fruit is not just a tropical fruit with a unique sweet and sour taste. It's also a treasure trove of nutrients you shouldn't overlook. Just one small passion fruit, weighing about 1.8 to 2.5 ounces, is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, iron, and powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids. These nutrients not only help keep your body strong from the inside, but also nourish your skin, boost your brain, and protect you from various harmful diseases. So, why is passion fruit called a superfood? The answer is simple. It provides many essential nutrients for the body, but is low in calories, has no cholesterol, and is easy to use. You can drink passion fruit juice, blend it into a smoothie, make jam, or even use it as a topping for a salad. According to nutrition experts, passion fruit is a perfect choice for those who want to be healthy without spending a lot of money or time. Most importantly, passion fruit is not only delicious, but also offers incredible health benefits. Let's explore the first benefit. Interactive question. Do you know what percentage of your daily requirement of vitamin C one passion fruit contains? Take a guess and write your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the answer right away. Benefit 1. Unprecedented immune system enhancement. Imagine your body is a fortress, and your immune system is the army defending that fortress from invaders like bacteria, viruses, or harmful free radicals. Passion fruit is the secret weapon that makes this army stronger than ever. Why? Because just one passion fruit provides 50 to 60% of your daily vitamin C requirement. Vitamin C not only stimulates the body to produce white blood cells, the warriors that fight off disease, but also acts as an antioxidant, helping to eliminate cell-damaging free radicals. But it's not just vitamin C. Passion fruit also contains polyphenols and carotenoids, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, protect cells from environmental damage, and even slow down aging. Research from the University of Queensland, Australia, indicates that the antioxidants in passion fruit can boost immunity, helping you catch fewer colds, feel less fatigued, and recover faster after illness. Practical application. To get the maximum benefit, you can start your day with fresh passion fruit juice. Simply use 1 to 2 passion fruits, strain the juice, mix it with a little water and a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach for the best vitamin C absorption. Caution: don't add too much sugar, as sugar can reduce the effectiveness of antioxidants. Have you tried this method yet? If not, try it today and share your feelings in the comments. Checkpoint. After drinking passion fruit juice daily for 1 week, notice if you feel less tired, if your skin is brighter, or if you catch fewer colds. That's a sign that your immune system is getting stronger. Boosting your immune system is just the first step. Do you want to know what else passion fruit can help your body with? Let's explore the next benefit, which involves protecting you from a disease everyone fears. But first, tell us, how often do you eat fruits for health? Write your answer in the comments to share. Benefit 2. protecting the body from the risk of cancer. Have you ever thought that a small fruit like passion fruit could be a hero in the fight against cancer? That's right. Passion fruit is not just delicious, it contains special compounds that help protect the body from harmful cells. Antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids in passion fruit act like silent warriors, helping to inhibit the growth of abnormal cells, especially in the lung and oral areas. These substances work by reducing inflammation and protecting cell DNA from harmful environmental factors like smog or chemicals. But why is this important? Cancer is one of the most frightening diseases today, and prevention is always better than cure. By simply adding passion fruit to your diet, you are creating a natural shield for your body. The great thing is you don't have to eat too much. Just 1 to 2 fruits per day is enough to reap this benefit. Practical application. To enhance the effectiveness of antioxidants, try making a passion fruit smoothie mixed with high nutrient fruits like pineapple or kiwi. The method is simple. Use the juice from 2 passion fruits, add half a pineapple, 1 kiwi, and a little water. Blend until smooth and drink immediately. This kind of smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to provide your body with antioxidants. What fruits have you tried mixing passion fruit with? Share your favorite recipe in the comments. Checkpoint. After adding passion fruit to your diet for 2 weeks, notice if your body feels lighter, your skin is brighter, or your mind is clearer. That's a sign that the antioxidants are working. What fruit do you think makes the tastiest smoothie when mixed with passion fruit? Write your answer in the comments. We want to hear your ideas. Benefit 3, supporting heart health. Your heart is a machine that works non-stop, and passion fruit is the fuel that helps this machine run smoothly. Passion fruit contains a large amount of potassium, an extremely important mineral for heart health. Potassium helps regulate the heart rhythm, reduce pressure on blood vessel walls, and remove bad cholesterol from the body. Furthermore, passion fruit has almost no sodium, a substance that, if consumed excessively, can cause high blood pressure and harm the heart. Why do you need to care about heart health? Because a healthy heart not only helps you live longer, but also gives you enough energy to do what you love, whether it's playing sports, traveling to Yellowstone, or taking care of your family. By simply eating 1 passion fruit a day, you are providing your body with a significant amount of potassium, helping your heart work better. Practical application. Try making a passion fruit detox drink to support heart health. Use the juice from 1 passion fruit, mix it with 10 ounces of warm water, a few slices of fresh ginger, and a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Drink it in the evening before bed to help your body relax and increase blood circulation. Caution: use warm water instead of cold water to prevent stomach irritation. Do you want to try this recipe? If you do, tell us how you feel in the comments. Checkpoint. After drinking the passion fruit detox drink for 1 week, check if you feel lighter, if your blood pressure is more stable, or if you feel less tired when working. That's a sign that your heart is being well cared for. In addition to protecting heart health, passion fruit offers another excellent benefit for your brain. Do you want to know how passion fruit helps reduce stress and boost memory? Keep following. But first, answer this question. What do you do to keep your heart healthy? Share your tips in the comments. Benefit 4, improving brain health and reducing stress. Modern life with pressure from work, study, and family can make you feel stressed and tired. But don't worry, passion fruit may be the natural medicine that helps you relax and improve your brain. The potassium in passion fruit is not only good for the heart, but also helps regulate blood flow to the brain, improving concentration and cognitive ability. Furthermore, antioxidants like polyphenols protect brain cells from damage, helping to reduce the risk of memory loss as you age. Why is this important? A healthy brain not only helps you work more effectively, but also brings happiness and balance to your life. Think about it. If you reduce worry, focus better, and have a sharp memory, how much could you achieve in your work and life goals? Practical application. To reduce stress, try making passion fruit tea to relax. Use the juice from one passion fruit. Mix it with 7 ounces of hot water. Add a chamomile tea bag and a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Drink it in the afternoon or evening to help your body relax and sleep better. This recipe is not only delicious, but also helps you feel lighter after a long day. Have you ever used passion fruit to relax? Share how you reduce stress in the comments. Checkpoint. After drinking passion fruit tea for 1 week, notice if you sleep better, reduce worry, or focus more on work. That's a sign that your brain is being cared for. What do you do to reduce stress after a busy day? Has anyone tried using passion fruit to relax? Write your answers in the comments to share. Benefit 5, helping to strengthen bones. Strong bones are the foundation for an active and confident life, no matter your age. Passion fruit is a source of many minerals such as magnesium, calcium, iron, and phosphorus, which are the bricks that build a strong skeletal system. These minerals not only help maintain bone density, but also prevent osteoporosis, especially in women over 30 or the elderly. Why do you need to care about bone health? Because weak bones not only cause aches and increase the risk of fractures, but also limit your ability to move, reducing your quality of life. By simply adding passion fruit to your diet, along with calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, or collard greens, you create the perfect formula to protect your bones. Practical application. Try making a passion fruit salad to strengthen bones. Use the juice from 1 passion fruit, mix it with plain Greek yogurt, add sliced strawberries, chia seeds, and a few walnuts. This salad is not only delicious, but also provides calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Eat it for breakfast or an afternoon snack for good absorption. Do you like to eat salad? If so, share your favorite salad in the comments. Checkpoint. After eating the passion fruit salad for 2 weeks, notice if you feel more agile or have fewer joint aches. That's a sign that your bones are getting stronger. Passion fruit not only helps strengthen bones, but also has an excellent benefit related to blood circulation. Do you want to know how passion fruit helps prevent cold hands and feet or fatigue? Keep following. Benefit 6, regulating blood circulation. Do you ever experience cold hands and feet, swelling, or feel tired for no reason? That might be a sign that your blood circulation system has a problem. Luckily, passion fruit can help improve this situation. The potassium in passion fruit helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to various organs. Furthermore, the iron and copper in passion fruit support the production of red blood cells, helping blood transport oxygen more efficiently. Why is good blood circulation important? Because it not only helps you have more energy, but also prevents problems like hair loss, dizziness, or headaches. A body with good blood circulation will make you feel refreshed, your skin radiant, and your mind clear. Practical application. Try making a passion fruit and beet juice to enhance blood circulation. Use the juice from 1 passion fruit, blend it with half a small beet and 7 ounces of water. Add a little maple syrup or honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. Drink it in the morning to start your day with energy. Have you tried beets before? Tell us how you feel in the comments. Checkpoint. After drinking the passion fruit and beet juice for 1 week, check if your hands and feet feel warmer, your skin is more radiant, or if you feel less dizzy. That's a sign that your blood circulation is improving. What tips do you have for improving blood circulation? Share them in the comments so we can learn together. How to use passion fruit correctly. Now you know how great passion fruit is, but how do you use it effectively and safely? Here are detailed steps to incorporate passion fruit into your daily life. Step 1. Choose quality passion fruit. When buying passion fruit, choose ones with slightly wrinkled skin and a dark purple or yellow color, as this is a sign that the fruit is ripe and has many nutrients. Avoid fruits that are too firm or bruised, as they may be unripe or spoiled. Step 2. Simple preparation. Passion fruit juice. Use 1 to 2 passion fruits, cut in half, scoop out the pulp, strain the juice through a sieve. Mix with 7 to 10 ounces of water and a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Drink immediately to preserve the vitamins. Passion fruit smoothie. Mix passion fruit with fruits like mangoes, pineapples, or bananas. Blend with a little yogurt to increase creaminess. Mix passion fruit juice with olive oil and maple syrup or honey to make a salad dressing. This makes the dish more appetizing and beneficial. Step 3. Control the amount. Although passion fruit is good, you should only use 1 to 2 fruits per day. Excessive use can irritate the stomach or lead to an overdose of vitamin C, causing diarrhea or canker sores. If you have conditions like stomach issues or diabetes, consult a doctor before using it regularly. Step 4. Proper storage. Fresh passion fruit can be stored in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 weeks. If you want to use it for a longer period, strain the juice, pour it into an ice cube tray, and freeze. When you want to use it, just grab a frozen passion fruit cube and mix it into a drink. Checkpoint. After using these methods, notice if your body changes for the better, such as having prettier skin, a clearer mind, or less fatigue. If so, keep up this habit. How do you like to use passion fruit the most? Drinking the juice, making a smoothie, or mixing it into a salad? Share your recipe in the comments so everyone can try it. Important precautions. When using passion fruit, even though passion fruit is a superfood, if used incorrectly, you might encounter minor problems. Here are the precautions to ensure you use passion fruit safely. Don't use too much. As mentioned, you should only use 1 to 2 fruits per day. Excessive use can irritate the stomach or lead to an overdose of vitamin C. Avoid drinking on an empty stomach if you have a sensitive stomach. Passion fruit is acidic, so if you have a history of stomach pain, you should drink it after eating a light meal. Check for allergies. Some people may be allergic to passion fruit, especially the seeds. If you feel itching, redness, or discomfort after eating, stop immediately and consult a doctor. Don't add too much sugar. Sugar can reduce the effectiveness of antioxidants. Opt for maple syrup or honey, or stick to the original flavor. Have you encountered any problems when using passion fruit, such as finding it hard to choose good fruit or not knowing how to prepare it? Share your story in the comments so we can help resolve it together. And that concludes our exploration of the wonderful health secrets of passion fruit. From boosting immunity and protecting the heart to improving the brain and bones, passion fruit is a superfood you should add to your life starting today. Begin with 1 to 2 fruits per day and feel the positive change in your body. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content useful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on other health tips. In the comments, tell us, which passion fruit recipe will you try first? Write your answer right away and let's spread positive energy together. See you in the next video.